How to check if elements of a list are in a string. The inverse of this question, finding a string in a list, is so popular that I wasn't able to find an answer to my question. This obviously doesn't work. Some iteration over the list needs to happen that returns true/false, but I don't know how to accomplish that elegantly. Thanks.
The built-in any function can help you here. It's also possible to get the same effect with all. But I think the first is closer to English, so easier to follow.
You could check for each flag within black underscore list and filter lines that contain the black underscore list. This can be done using all. The above checks to see if all of the elements of black underscore list are present. Use any if you want to reject a line if any of the elements of black underscore list are present.
Your example code makes it look like you're looking for an element in a file, not just in a string. Regardless, you could do something like this, which illustrates doing both with the built-in any function.
Yes,